him for 2 years. I'm super excited. It's the first time. It's so like special.
Jones Supper Club is an underground restaurant that's open twice a month. Caters for 10 people, and I cook whatever I like. Some burrata going on here too. Say, hey, I'm cooking at home, would you like to come over? I know I just met you. Then one thing led to another. They started doing reviews on the review sites, and then all right, I might be onto something here. Curate it based on the size of the group and curate it based on diversity. Sometimes I just wake up in the middle of the night in a cold sweat and it's all right, I got it. So this is him. Trying to get razor clams from here. It is fresh. I've been here before. I've tried a few places. This is one of the best spots. We got, I think, some time left. We're gonna go walk 2-3 blocks. Three generations of pasta makers since the early 1900s. All of it should be about $300, $400. The wine is about $200. Had as young as 21, 22 come over, and I've had as old as an 80-year-old. I'm just curious to see what they show up.
Hello.
Hey,
Vincent?
yes.
I'm Alan.
Alan, what is your name? Carol.
Nice to meet you.
Emily.
was a 2 a.m. bus from New York, from DC, and I just
You
decided.
came from fucking DC?
Yeah. It's like, well, I mean.
Okay, cool. Hello.
Are you Vinny?
Yes, I am. Oh,
I
Krista.
literally feel like I know you.
I'm always looking up like best restaurants, what's new, and then it came up and I was like, oh my god, I have to get in.
The Supper Club on Yelp.
Oh, it is so long to get here.
It was Time Out magazine, I think, that had sort of a section that was about secret places.
I feel like that's part of the appeal is that we don't know what the menu is, and you know, it's just the reviews have been great.
Wow. This place looks so nice.
Welcome to the Supper Club. One rule is do not sit next to someone that you know. There's two Asian touches. One is the ikura, which is the trout egg. And then this one's the seaweed salt. Interior design. Oh my god, like I'm worried now, like just inviting you guys to my home. I always tell people that you don't need to be trained in the culinary arts to be good at cooking. It helps to know the foundations, but I think the other half of it is understanding what good food tastes like. So this is the part where I think everyone's feeling each other out. Everyone's speaking a little bit and just going around. I'm probably just going to curl up and collapse after this, but right now I'm okay.
I really love that. But it's this kind of thing is about the perfect social kind of atmosphere.
The experience was more than enough. Yeah. Sure.
It's a creative outlet for me, and it's just something that I find very rewarding, just to see people having a good time, enjoying the food, and maybe meeting the love of their life.